welcome. I've got a Louis Vuitton unboxing today. This just arrived and I am so excited to share it with you. I got it from my Louis Vuitton boutique and no ribbon today. I already take them off to cut the video short. So I probably will put the name of this item on my video headline, but let's see. So I've got this Louis Vuitton mini luggage BB in monogram. Look how cute this piece is. The zipper is a bit stiff on this part here, but maybe because it's new. And the inside looks like just one big compartment with one slip pocket in the front and one slip pocket in the back. And mine is Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And the inside lining is microfiber, and as you can see on this piece here, the facette, not faceta. I watched Jerusa video and they call this facette. Is already like a treated facette. It's a bit darker than the usual new piece of facette, as you can see. And I noticed that the glazing here is a bit more red than the usual glazing. I will show you the comparison to my other Louis Vuitton bag facette glazing. But anyway, that is the strap. This one is the BB size, and I love this size. It's very cute. So this is the strap. I will put aside this box. And this is the booklet and the tag, just in case if you want to know the model number, M44804. It comes with this key bell. I think it should be here. I will try put it on later, but I usually don't like my bag with all the key bells, just too fussy for me. Just to show you what this bag comes with. And this is the pouch for the lock. This is the keys. I've got two keys, and here is the padlock, the shiny gold with LV engraved here. Oops! And on the back is Louis Vuitton Paris engraved. Just the standard Louis Vuitton padlock. And on the key bell here, the Louis Vuitton in gold. It's super cute. I will get my other Louis Vuitton bag to show you the color difference of the glazing here. This is my Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy, and here is the glazing on the facette, and you can see the difference between the new facette and the, I don't know what it's called, treated facette, something like that. The usual facette is definitely lighter in color, and here is the glazing color comparison. As you can see on the Nano Speedy, it's a bit more brown than the mini luggage BB glazing. It's more of a red color. I hope my camera can pick it up. So that's the new things that I noticed right off the bat when I got this one. But anyway, just to show you guys, and I will compare the size of this. By the way, the zipper is not as smooth. It's quite hard in my opinion. So that is the mini luggage BB compared to my Chanel vanity case in medium size. They are almost identical in size. As you can see, I like the square or rectangle bag, so I just fall in love with this mini luggage BB. I think it's very cute. So that is the size comparison. And I love it that this mini luggage BB comes with the fit, as you can see here. And that's all guys for my mini luggage BB unboxing. I hope you enjoy the video and hope to see you again soon guys. Bye.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you.